Thank you, Dr. Diggs, for that interesting report on how to find dinosaur fossils in your own backyard. Next up, we will have Bill Price reporting on an unusual weather phenomenon in Oklahoma City. But first, this word from our sponsor.
Fred's Grill. We cook the finest ribeyes, chicken, and also the pork chop. We do specialize in some potato soup, cheese soup, and barbecue soup is the very big special. All this for a low price of $7.99. Don't miss out.
Thank you, Barbara. Now I'm here reporting live to you from Oklahoma City in this 100-year storm. It is very windy. There are debris flying everywhere. It is one of the most rarest things in nature of all time. Everyone in the Oklahoma City area should evacuate immediately. Some cars are flipping over, and debris are everywhere. Well, that's all I got. Back to you, Barbara.